5, 6. Yes, so my people, I greeted her this morning. My whole name is Papa Jojo. And meanwhile, I saw that the watchers already on that say the wagon don't take off. But I want to let you know say, not only Papa Jojo, they take on this morning. My guest, where we say they enjoy body with me. The one way on my left back, in name like Yusuf. Meanwhile, that one when I see where we say top pass me small. In name like Jamie. And you will say yes, this morning, for this episode where we take this morning, you want sweat. Just enter your house straight away. Change. Wear your trainers, wear your sportwear, and follow us straight away as you get close to the screen. 5. See the way they go now. You'll see say the way they go, way they do them. If you watch my guest, you for the first time, as our viewer, where they look the way they do them. If you do them for the first time, it go there somehow tough for you. You go feel say you want run out of breath. Because this one, now movement non-stop. Aerobics go up the cable straight away. Now you they take and go. And if you look the way my guests they take them, this one way we they call jamming. See, the knee they go straight away. You know stop. Like that. 5, 6, 7. Then you change. 8. You go 1. Like that. 2, 3. You not go stop. If you do it continuously, over and over, you go see say you go to feel some ache for your hips. Yes. Like that. 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is skipping, hopping movement. Knees lift. You need to take 8 rounds of 2 sets. After the second set, where will they go on? Then you got to change over. 6. You remain 2 more. 7. Then change. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See the count. 7. Then 8. See the way they go now. See my leg. My people where they there to watch us. My viewers. You will see the way I take and go. See my leg. The back heel toe tap movement with your skip hopping movement. Like that. 1, 2. As you do like that, just to make sure say you breathe in and out to help your respiratory. Like that. Then 8. Again. 1. You go like that. 2. With your count. 3. You need to follow up the count because now you go stand as a guideline to help you to fit follow us. 8. Then you go 1 like that. 2, 3. Follow your count. 4, 5. The way we they go so if you just have the follow us, you gotta feel some sign of sweating out of you. 2 like that. 3. You follow your count. 4, 5. You don't go stop. 6. Even though they look tired, no give up. 8. Now see this one. 1 on one side. 2. You don't go bend your knee. 3 like that. 4. Follow up. 2 set of 8. Another second set from 1. Where you're skipping bounce movement. Now high level concentration movement and you they take 2. Because as you they do them, you they skip and you they hop movement. Then change. Go 1 like that. 2 with your count. 3, 4, 5. You'll follow your count. 6, 7, 8. Then both side. 1. Both side. 2. Like that. 3. You gotta follow up your skip bounce. You know go change. 6, 7, 8. Second step. 1, 2. Follow your count. 3, 4. My people, I really want to appreciate now for this special time when I don't spend with us. Meanwhile, making I don't forget, say, like channel 195, Wazobia TV. Now you know how to watch so. Until tomorrow, me and my guests, with the pack our Lord, they say, hallelujah, God keep us alive. Good night. 8. Follow up. 1. Your knee go side up. Where your count? 3. Yes, so 4.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.